Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build automated email campaigns with Mailchimp step by step clearly. Open your Mailchimp account and log in. Navigate to the Campaigns tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Create Campaign button. Select Email from the drop-down menu. Choose Automated to start building your automated email campaign. Select a campaign type that fits your needs, such as Welcome Series or Abandoned Cart. Name your campaign to keep it organized. Once named, click on Begin. Now, choose your audience from the list provided. Click Design Email to craft your message. Input your email subject line. Add a preview text to entice your readers. Choose a sender name and email address that resonates with your brand. Click Next to start designing the email layout. Utilize Mailchimp's drag-and-drop builder to add blocks like text, images, and buttons. Personalize your email content to connect with your audience. Ensure your design is mobile-friendly for wider reach. Once satisfied with the design, click Save and Close. You can now set up the trigger for your automated email. Review all campaign details to ensure everything is correctly set up. If everything looks good, click Start Sending to launch your campaign. Monitor the performance of your automated email campaign via the Reports tab. Make adjustments as necessary based on engagement metrics. Continue optimizing your emails for better results over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.